I want to talk to you about canonical URLs. All right, look, this has HTTPS, which has website security, www dot, then there's a domain name, okay? I want to show you when there's no www dot, if you test this out, let's just say you went raw into it, and you pressed enter without the www dot, and you press enter, it will now redirect it to www dot. This is important, and the reason it's important is because when you are dealing with search engine optimization, you want to be able to measure all of the traffic to your site. And believe it or not, Google will rank these two different domains with or without the www dot. It will give you two different statistics of information. So you lose half your data of user data, so you can measure your real traffic. In other words, you need to make sure that when you hit in without the www dot, it redirects to the www dot, so Google can re-rank all of your users, and it can track the traffic of it. All right. So with that said, you lose half your data if you don't address this. So here's how you address it. You're going to create something called an htaccess file. These are the two scripts. Just look at them clear as they are. You need to make an htaccess file. You can make it with Notepad. All right. Yeah, this is a pain in the ass sometimes, but if you don't make these little, round these little edges, do these little things, the little things make the big puzzle. So that's what SEO is. So here, you would just replace your information from this script .com with the www dot, which the HTTP. All right. And because I have this information under here, this is for my SSL certificate. It's custom because I'm not a WordPress site. You know, you have to do this if I host with Linux, with GoDaddy. Otherwise, I'm not going to have an SSL. But that's irrelevant. Right now, you're worried about if I type in my URL without www dot, that's this. This is the script that helps redirect it if you don't have a WordPress site, and it's custom, to go here. I believe, though, this also will work with WordPress. So, hey, you could try this as well. If your site is not custom and it's done in WordPress, that's cool. You should put this in your htaccess file, and that will, an htaccess file basically lets the browsers know what it's supposed to do with your URLs and what it's supposed to do with them. All right, and it also helps with an error 404 page to redirect stuff to it. All right, you put your error document on here, so you need the htaccess file with an error 404. But right now, here you go. www dot, and then there's regular Dinoriese.com. So that's how it works. Put that in there, upload it to your server, and you will be able to, proof that it works. Let's get out of this. Let's get on. We'll go to Dinoriese.com. .com. No www, nothing. In the address bar, enter it, bam. Gives me my secured site license, HTTPS, www.dinoriese.com. When I go into my Google Analytics, I'll sign in really quickly. Sign in. I'm already logged in. I'm into here. Well, I know I'm logged in. I'm in. I'm there. Bam. Doesn't show that I have any users. That's strange. Everything went down. We'll see what happens. And that's because I just did this. Everything that I'm going to be measuring now is all fresh. So I have all brand new data to be measuring now. All right, because I just did this. So now everything that's going to happen from this point on is going to be completely accurate for my web page. Okay? That is how Google Analytics, and that's the importance of doing that URL redirect, because if you don't, it's not going to work. All right, so that just shows you that by me just doing that, I got my basically my data is all now starting now. I'm going to be able to rank real accurate stuff about my site's traffic. So whenever anyone goes to any of my pages, bam, they're going to be able to. I'm going to be able to track all of this now, and it's going to be accurate in Google Analytics. All right. So, last but not least, this is how you do it. Put these two scripts in there, and it's going to go in. Thank you.